Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today gonna be trying to get the ignition switch that I tried to get fitted in the last video that didn't work. I'm gonna try to get it working now, so gonna get to doing that. Alright, so I figured out how to get the switch working that I had for the bike before. I just got to add a resistor in, so got my soldering iron and everything set up, and gonna add one of these resistors. Alright, so gonna add that in to the switch, because apparently you need the resistor in the gray wire in order to get the motorcycle switch to work. So I'm gonna get to soldering that, and then we'll test it out to see if it works on the bike. Fingers crossed. Right, so yeah, this is it all soldered up. I'm gonna use some electrical tape, tape up this part, and then put the black piece back over it, back over the whole piece here, and then tape that up as well. And then we'll go and try it out. If it works, I'll link the resistor that I put in the line, so this resistor here, I'll link it in the description, and let's get to it. Alright, so I taped up the wire. Now I'm gonna put this back into this sleeve and then tape that up like new. So I'm gonna go install it and see if it works. Alright, so as you've just seen in the time lapse, hooked up the switch. Battery is kind of dead, so see, it turns on. Alright, so that's it for the video. Got to figure it out. The resistor works. I'll link the resistor that I used down in the description below. And yeah, figured it out. So the ignition switch actually works. I end up changing the gas cap as well to one that is black. And yeah, that's it for this one. Gonna catch you guys in the next one. Peace. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Catch you guys in the next one.